How is everybody doing tonight? Johnny from On the Come Up Trading. Another amazing day for Tesla. I have no words on this movement. Up 9% today. We go in, look at this chart, closed up 8.5%, almost 9%. Just incredible, incredible. I just have no words. Um, Enough about Tesla for now. So we're going to be going over the top watches for November 2nd, 2021. We're going to be looking at AMD, apps, BA, PFE, and Tesla. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Stream is intended for entertainment, informational purposes only. On the Come Up Trading will not be held liable for any actions you take as a result of something you saw or heard here. Let's get to it. We're going to start with AMD. This is charted on the 1 hour time frame, support and resistances. Little notes on AMD. If we look at the daily, we had a huge, huge monster bullish engulfing candle at the close of today. It's just engulfing the previous day's candle. That the candle's huge. If we go back to the 1 hour time frame, and we look at the intraday and after hours candles, we are currently bull flagging. Would like to see this continue upward with the bullish engulfing and as well as the bull flag. So if we break over 125.87, if we break over this area here, we will be looking at the 127 calls expiration November 5th. Targets will be 126.33 would be our first target. Our second target would be 127.20. Our third target would be 128.08. Anything over 128.08 would be all-time highs, and everything would be psychological, so stick to half dollar amounts and whole dollar amounts, so 128.50 and 129. If we zoom out on the weekly, the highest of all time is 128.08, going all the way back to 1973. Now, if we break below 124.20 in this area here, we will be looking at the 123 puts expiration November 5th. First target would be 123.45. Second target would be 122.07. And our third target would be 120.44. We'd like to see AMD, like I said, with the bullish engulfing on the daily chart. Let me get rid of these lines. The daily, this bullish engulfing here is just completely swallowing this candle of the previous day. We'd like to see it continue upward with that and the bull flag. Now we are going to move to Digital Turbine, also known as APPS, APPS. This is charted on the 1 hour time frame as well. Earnings will be reported after market close Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021. So on apps, if we break over 92.07, right in here, we will be looking at the 93 calls. Expiration would be November 5th. First target would be 92.80. Second target would be 93.20. And your third target would be 93.98. If we break below 91.21 in this area right here, we will be looking at the $90 puts, expiration November 5th. Your first target would be 90.49, which comes from all the way over here. Second target would be 90.11, which is coming from right here. Let me get that out of the way. So first target would be coming from here, which would be 90.49. Your second target would be 90.11, which is coming from right here. And your third target would be 89.82, which is this support and resistance line. Now, moving on to BOEING, or BA. This is also charted on the 1 hour time frame. It is currently bull flagging on the 1 hour time frame if you include the intraday candle here and you include the after hours candles. Would like to see this continue upwards as we had huge bull momentum all day today. So if we break over 215 in here, we'll be looking at the 217.50 calls expiration November 5th. First target would be 215.45, which is coming from all the way over here. Your second target would be 216.28, which is coming from here. And your third target would be 216.78, which is coming from right here, this area of resistance. If we break below 213.82, right in here, we'll be looking at the 212.50 puts expiration November 5th. Targets would be 213.36 would be your first one. Your second target would be 212.58, which is coming from right here. And your third target would be 211.70, which is coming from right here. Remove these drawings. Now we're going to move on to Pfizer. Pfizer earnings will be reported before market open Tuesday, November 2nd. And a side note, COVID-19 vaccines for 5 to 11-year-olds may be available later this week. Looking for a bullish trend continuation. If we zoom out and go back on the chart, you can see that we've been keeping a bullish trend, higher lows and higher highs. If we break over 44.29 right here, we will be looking at the $45 calls expiration November 5th. First target would be 44.39. Second target 44.39 is coming from all the way over here. Your second target would be 44.72, which is coming from this area of resistance. And your third target would be 44.99, which is coming from all the way over here, this area of resistance. If we break below 43.87, right in here, we'll be looking at the $43 puts. Expiration will be November 5th. Your first target would be 43.66. Second target would be 43.47. And your third target would be 43.35. And last but not least, the talk for all last week and again this week. I honestly have no words. Tesla has just been absolutely phenomenal and on fire. I can't say enough. Elon Musk, who holds around 227 million shares, is now richer than Jeff Bezos from Amazon and Mark Zuckerberg from Facebook combined. Year to date, he has added $165 billion to his wealth for a total of $335.1 billion. That is just insane. He beats Bezos now by a long shot. So, if it is also, I would like to point out, we are bull flagging on the 1 hour time frame. If you include the intraday candles and the after hour candles, would like to see this continue up. But what you need to know is bull flags don't always hold true. Sometimes they do break down, and instead of going up, they go to the downside. So if we go over all-time highs of $1,224.89, we'll be looking at the 1250 calls expiration November 5th. Targets will be all psychological because we will be in uncharted territory. The targets I'm going to lay out would be $1,230, $1,240, and $1,250, and continue in either $5 or $10 increments. All psychological numbers, and people tend to stick to those numbers for uncharted territory. If we break under $1,212.55 right here, we will be looking at the $1,200 puts. Expiration will be November 5th. First target would be 1189.50. Your second target would be 1169.49. And your third target would be 1158.50. Same thing I pointed out about Tesla yesterday, I'm going to point out again. We are overdue for a pullback. If we look at the EMA 8 on the daily time frame, we are super far away. So we should see a pullback of some sort. Maybe not be tomorrow, may not be this week, but it's coming. It's coming soon. And if we also look at the weekly, we are overextended there as well, even farther than the daily. I mean, that's just a huge gap. So we will see a pullback. It is imminent. It is coming. Please don't say I didn't warn you. If you guys found my video helpful, please hit the subscribe, leave a comment, hit the like button. Dealer's choice. If you'd like to see me add any kind of content or think I can do anything better to help you out, please leave a comment and let me know. Feedback is definitely important. I would like to try to help myself and as many people as I can with this YouTube channel, and not really looking for anything in return. And any criticism or feedback you could leave, I would greatly appreciate it. If you like my charting platform, this is TradingView. It is a very good platform, very versatile. My referral link is in the description of this video. Please sign up for it with my referral link. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Have a good night.